Yes, my name is Josh Dawkins. I'm the Senior Account Manager for KWA. Our main focus with our airsoft guns is we do a ton of law enforcement and military training. Our systems are based on both electric and gas blowback. We use green gas to power our weapons, and we deal with about just every branch of our military service, along with different levels of government, to provide non-lethal 360-degree training, force-on-force options at a fraction of the cost of what you have with other systems. Well, what we do is we manufacture the weapons from ground up. They are one-to-one mil spec, as close as you're going to get to in the entire industry. So our weapons are they're built from the ground up to carry our systems, to use our airsoft systems to fire smaller 6mm non-lethal plastic projectiles, as opposed to simunition or trying to fire with real ammunition. Well, if you look at our quality across the board, everything is all metal, uppers and lowers. We provide, like I said, as close to the real thing as possible. A lot of other airsoft companies that don't have this kind of focus on training, they don't make the same kind of quality that we do. They don't make the same type of realism that we do. And a lot of their guns are focused more so on your average airsofter community, not necessarily the military and law enforcement government training that we do. We're the only company in the industry that provides that heavy of an emphasis on those specific things. Well, absolutely. If you'll notice down the line here, when we get down to our PTS stuff, we actually have Masadas on the wall. We have AR-15s, M4s, AR-10, simulations. So anything that you're going to find on this wall here is going to be a 100% replica of the real thing. The only difference is that the internals are going to be different because they don't fire real ammunition. Oh, absolutely. We have partners in various parts of the world. We've had alliances with a lot of our allies use our weapons specifically, interestingly enough, most recently with the Australian Army. So they're used worldwide. Now, this specific system here is a gas system. The magazine by itself, the weight of it, along with the weight of the weapon, is exactly like the real thing. This feels like a magazine that is full of ammo. The rails and such, these are immediately swappable with other drop-in systems from the real steel market. So this is the standard Delta ring. You take the rail off just like you would take off of a real gun. Same thing with the buttstock, and also same thing with the breakdown of the bolt. 100% just like the real thing. Constantly throughout the days here at SHOT Show, people come through our booth, they think that these are real weapons. They pick them up, they don't even realize that they're the real thing until they look on the side and it says 6mm. And they're like, 6mm, that's not real ammo. And we're like, yo, you're right, you thought this was a real gun, that's not a real gun.
So, hi, hello Alan, my name is Björn. I'm from HK433 in Oberndorf, Germany. So I'm there, the head of the demonstration team. Show all the products from H&K worldwide in live firing presentations. Today we have here the new assault rifle HK433 that may be the successor of the G36 for the ongoing tender in the German army. The HK433 is a good mixture between the G36 and the HK416. So we have a gas piston driven system that's really reliable, like it already from the G36 and from the HK416. We have an aluminum upper receiver that give us the strength and the receiver for a good, accurate, precise result on target. We have the magazine, the steel magazine from the HK416 in this lower receiver, so it's a 5.56 assault rifle that is operatable like this. So we have the possibility to shoot single fire or shoot full auto, and you can operate it fully ambidextrous. So the main feature of the HK433 is that it is fully ambidextrous. It means you can swap, for example, the charging handle from the left side to the right side if you are left-handed. From the front to the rear, we have here a 11-inch barrel inserted. Other barrel lengths will be possible, like a 12.5-inch or 14.5-inch and up to a 20-inch barrel. Those barrel lengths will be possible to insert here in the HK433. We have here, after the flash hider, our gas adjustment. When you have attached a suppressor, you can switch from the normal function to the suppressed function while turning this gas nozzle to the right-hand side. Now we are in the suppressed mode, going back because we have no silencer attached to the normal mode. We have here the charging handle. The charging handle is designed now like it was in the beginning on those old H&K weapons, on the G3. Yeah? Can grab the charging handle, pull it all the way rearward, and can bring it to the front forward. To release the bolt, you have here an ambidextrous bolt release lever. You can push this lever down and then the bolt will be released. This lever is fully ambidextrous, so that means the left-handed can operate it the same way as the right-handed can do. So we have the magazine release here. It's a central magazine release. The advantage from a central magazine release is it's fully ambidextrous. You can operate it with the non-shooting hand to take out the magazine, as well with your shooting index to take the magazine out. Yeah? And it's prevented that with those 6 o'clock position that you will release the magazine accidentally on your gear. So that can happen if you have the mag release on the left or right hand side. The fire selector lever, like I said before, is also ambidextrous. You can switch from safe to single to full auto in a 90-degree step. The buttstock is foldable to the right hand side, and the weapon is fully operatable with a folded buttstock, and you can also use the weapon in case of emergency to fire with a folded buttstock. So there's no need to have the buttstock folded while firing. The buttstock is having a G-crest. G-crest can raise up in 2 positions, so intermediate position and fully high. We have the length adjustment here on the back. Pull down this lever and then you can adjust the length of the buttstock to your needs, to your ergonomics. So the tender in Germany at the moment is ongoing. The first samples for the trial will be sent or handed over to the German army in the end of March, and then we will see how it goes. Huh? So the caliber is a 5.56 assault rifle, like I mentioned before. The overall weight with the 18.9-inch barrel is 3.6 kilogram, and the overall length is less than 1 meter in that configuration in 18.9-inch. Yeah, for sure. Not only Germany is looking for a new assault rifle, other countries as well are doing it. There are other tenders in Germany upcoming, and so we look that we go on these other tenders as well when the German tender we hopefully had won. Yeah.
My name is Matt Spafford. I'm the media manager for Smith & Wesson, and we have the new M&P M2.0 with threaded barrel, and that's for use with suppressors. So it's available in 9mm, 45 auto, has suppressor height sights, and all the great features of the M2.0 platform. So a couple of key features on this gun is the aggressive grip texture. So it allows you to get a really good grip on that pistol. It's got 4 interchangeable palm swell grip inserts, so that allows our users to customize a fit, whether they have small hands, larger hands, makes it feel really good in their hand. We've also enhanced the trigger on this gun, so it's light, crisp trigger pull with a tactile reset. In addition, we have this gun available in 9, 45. Sure, so we have the suppressor height sights here. So it comes over the suppressor, so you can aim the pistol. Has a new enhanced trigger. Has a full accessory rail, so if you want to put a light, laser, anything like that on there. It's got a full stainless steel chassis system for accuracy. So the magazine is a full 17-round magazine in 9mm.